very good, very bright, sunny day. As you can see that, all this like sunny day today. So the people heading to the beach, especially after like the post-coronavirus. So the things will be getting better in Sydney, Australia. So people wants to more enjoy, on beach side, and they're just going out for the swimming and everything. So and no doubt there are beautiful beaches in the world in Australia. All right. So let's go. We go to the beach. Okay. So come with me. I'm just taking to the beach. All right, you can see so now we are nearly here, very close to the beach, and we will be there maybe in 1-2 minutes, and you can see that view. That's awesome. Just right in front of that, in front of us, there's a sea, and that's why I already told you this is one of the best beach in the world. And there's no doubt about it, because in Australia all the beaches is a world class, like golden sand, crystal clear water, high tide waves, and that's why the people come here from different part of the world for surfing, and as you can see on my right hand side, all that's beautiful beach around here. And I like to show the like a post COVID-19, because the people, it's really frustrated, isolated. So when they have little chance to go out and enjoy, that's why people avail that chance. So there are actually in this suburb called Bondai, is plenty of tourists here. So it's a kind of touristy place, some local here as well. They come to enjoy the weather, and it's beautiful and very tasty foods around here as well. You can find the tasty burger, kebab, and it's a very famous shop, if I can find, says New Zealand ice cream. It's a very famous, people who come here prefer to try that New Zealand ice cream. So you can see on my right hand side full of people on the beach now. You know, because I just uploaded before, couple of months before, one video during the COVID-19, you know, so you can watch that video as well and compare now in Sydney, because that time it was very quiet because of the COVID-19. The people stayed at home, but now the life pretty much normal in Sydney. So that's why we took that advantage and availed that time, you know, before, because we heard the news, you know, about the second wave and thing. So that's why we thought before close the beach again, so we better show you guys how the people enjoying on the beach. So we are looking here some parking, because this is a weekend, actually Saturday afternoon, so it's very hard to find the parking, but we're trying to get parking here. Let's see when we can get success to get the parking. Look at that, the beautiful view in my right hand side. Okay, now we're just entering to the parking, and you can view that beautiful beach. Look at there, and the ideal weather for the beach today, because in Australia we're just about to start summer, so it's totally opposite if we compare then Asia, the weather, and even Europe. And that's all the way, that's actually the eastern part of Sydney. That's eastern suburb. You can see that's the houses in distance, that's on the mountain. And that's actually the beach that's along the coast, you know, and there are series of beaches on the same coast. So all that's the eastern beaches. So this video is very informative for the tourists from other part of the world who are willing to come here. They must visit these beaches, especially Bondai. And one more thing, guys, I really like to tell you here, because in Sydney there's a wildlife. So the most of the beaches in Australia, there's a shark threat, you know, so you got to be very careful, because if something happen, some events happen in Australia, the shark attacked the people and human, and they're very danger sometime. But the safeguard, they allocated the safe place between the flags, so you must stick with the area in between the flags. So that's recommend safe place. see the people. Look at the waves, you know, how high tide here. And you can see some surfer, you know, holding the surfing board on their hands. Look at that. That's all the surfer people, young guys, come here for the surfing, you know. So that's also very ideal place for surfer. So people like to come here for the surfing. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comments, and I will come up more interesting videos. So see you then. Bye.